Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be looking at the weekly forex forecast. So if you're a new viewer, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed, and for any returning subscribers I want to welcome you. So as usual, we'll begin with the economic calendar. So when you look at this economic calendar, we see that we have a lot of high impact news throughout the week, from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for USD, and mostly it's USD high impact news. Thursday we also have some high impact news, and then Friday we're closing with NFP. So let's begin by looking at the dollar index. So when we look at this chart, this is the monthly chart of the dollar index. So we have been bullish for the past 2 months. Actually, after coming off this imbalance down here, we have been bullish. So we've been looking for the market to hit this imbalance up here, which we have finally hit, taking out this buy side. But I'm still looking for more bullish prices, so I'm watching for this order block. So I've outlined that low of the order block, so I'm watching the low of the order block first as my initial target. So essentially that low aligns with the midpoint of this imbalance, which is my next objective going higher. So I'm still remaining bullish on dollar index. And when you look at the weekly chart, so we have dropped to the weekly chart, so that is that monthly order block. So that is the near-term target. And if you can see right here, we have a form of buy-side liquidity which the market may want to draw towards that. So I've just outlined the order block, but you can also anticipate for the market to reach up into this buy-side liquidity. So we've already taken out this buy-side, but the market is not showing any signs of dropping down. So we're just maintaining the bullish idea. On the daily chart, that monthly order block rests just above there. We have this imbalance that was hit on Friday. So that imbalance, that's a daily imbalance that I'm watching to see if the market will want to use that to continue higher. So this is a potential order block. If we close above that, candle, that's a potential order block that could push prices into that objective. On the 4-hour chart, we saw the market take out sell side here while hitting that daily imbalance. So we'll see if the market will want to continue expanding higher. We have a small imbalance right here. If the market will want to retest, I'll be watching that imbalance as a potential discount area. Now on the EURUSD monthly chart, we have been watching the monthly to continue lower after hitting this monthly order block up here. So the market shifted lower. We had this order block on this candle right there, which was hit, and then we are seeing that expansion lower. So I'll remain bearish as long as DXY is bullish, and I'm watching for this imbalance to be the nearest draw. On the weekly chart, after hitting that monthly order block, we have been bearish. So I'm still bearish on EURUSD. We have this sell side liquidity down here, which is yet to be taken out, the way I prefer to see it. So I'm watching for the market to draw towards this, at least the upper part of that imbalance, which is the premium high on the near term. So in the daily chart, we have hit an imbalance here on Friday. So we have that range of opportunity from the current price up to that premium high of the fair value gap, which is the monthly fair value gap. So as long as DXY is remaining bearish, or rather bullish, I will remain bearish on EURUSD. On the 4-hour chart, we saw the market actually hit targets that we were watching on the previous week, and then we saw this retracement going into Thursday and Friday. Then we have taken out this buy side liquidity right here, entering into that daily imbalance, and we are seeing some form of willingness for the market to start expanding lower. But I'll be watching for this order block to hold prices lower, and we have also a small imbalance right there. So I do not want to see actually the market going any higher than the imbalance or the order block for me to now continue selling into Monday and Tuesday. On the pound USD, we were still watching for bearish prices. So I'll remain bearish on pound as long as DXY remains bullish. So once we hit this imbalance right there, we saw the market now collapse lower. We have taken out this order block, so I'm watching for the market to come for this sell side liquidity into the imbalance while filling that imbalance. On the weekly chart, we have left an imbalance here, so I'm watching any retracement. So we had this objective last week, which was met, And then any retracement from here, I'll want to watch this imbalance on the weekly chart to continue pushing prices lower. On the daily chart, I'm still watching that weekly imbalance as a potential drawn liquidity if we get any retracement. Otherwise, I'm focusing on selling pound USD. The 4-hour chart, I'm still watching that same weekly imbalance in case of any retracement, but I'm anticipating that the market will want to just expand lower. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Also let me know what kind of content you want to see or any suggestions you have. Thank you.